Introducing the Skytech Siege Gaming PC Desktop, a true powerhouse built for gamers who crave the highest levels of performance and immersion. At the heart of this beast lies the Intel Core i7 13700F CPU, capable of clock speeds up to 5.1 GHz. Experience lightning-fast processing power for your games, allowing you to dominate the competition. With the included NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 graphics card, you'll witness breathtaking visuals and unrivaled realism. Say goodbye to lag and hello to smooth gameplay, even at 4K Ultra HD resolution. The 32GB DDR5 RAM ensures no game is too demanding, while the vibrant RGB lighting adds a touch of style that truly sets this PC apart. No more waiting around for games to load. The 1TB NVMe SSD offers blazing fast storage, up to 30 times faster than traditional HDDs, giving you instant access to all your favorite titles. And what better way to showcase this cutting-edge hardware than in the sleek and stylish Skytech Siege gaming case, featuring tempered glass panels and 4 fans for maximum airflow. It's not only a powerhouse, but a work of art. Connectivity is key, and this PC has you covered. With 800 and 2.11 AC Wi-Fi, HDMI and DisplayPort outputs, and a variety of USB ports, you'll have all the options you need for your gaming peripherals and accessories. And that's not all. This Skytech gaming PC comes with no bloatware, HD audio and mic support, and even includes a free gaming keyboard and mouse, so you can jump right into the action. Skytech Siege Gaming PC Desktop. Designed and assembled in the USA, this powerhouse is ready to take your gaming to new heights. Dominate the virtual battlefield, explore massive worlds, and experience the ultimate gaming performance today.